Can I turn off my outdoor unit in winter? Yes, but only if you are talking about an air conditioner. And even then, you should switch it off the right way and make sure your heating system does not need that unit. Your outdoor unit is the big metal box outside that helps cool your house in warm weather. In winter, an air conditioner is usually not needed because cold air is already outside, so many people turn it off at the thermostat and at the disconnect switch near the unit. If you have a heat pump though, do not turn it off just because it is cold, because that same outdoor unit may be helping heat your home. One thing many people do not know is that some systems have a crankcase heater or a special winter setting that helps protect the compressor when temperatures drop. Another useful step is to clear leaves, snow, and ice away from the unit so air can move around it. If your system is only for cooling, turning it off can help reduce wear from accidental starts during a warm day and keep the fan from running when it should not. If you are unsure whether your system is an air conditioner or a heat pump, check the label on the equipment or the manual before switching anything off. A common mistake is turning off the outdoor unit but forgetting that the thermostat may still call for heat if the same equipment is part of a heat pump system, so always know what kind of system you have first. Another mistake is covering the unit too tightly, because trapped moisture can cause rust and damage, so use only a cover made for the unit and remove it when needed. People also sometimes shut off power without cleaning the area first, and dirt, sticks, and heavy snow can cause problems when spring starts, so give the unit a quick check before winter gets worse. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.